There is, of course, a lot going on in the world right now with AI code assistants and agents and things that can get work done for you based on prompts. And if you happen to be using VS Code for your Prisma project, there is now a dedicated agent available which will allow you to do that prompting to get work done. Let's take a look at what's available here. It's under the Language Model Tools section within the Prisma extension. And here we can see what's available for us to interact with. We have got Prisma Migrate Status, Prisma Migrate Dev. We've got things like Prisma Studio. We've got tools to allow us to interact with the Prisma Data Platform. And if you've recently seen how we've got an MCP server, a Model Context Protocol server, this will feel a little familiar, but it's a bit different. It is dedicated to GitHub Copilot right here within VS Code. And let's see how we can work with it. So we'll come up here to the GitHub Copilot icon. Let's open up a chat. I'm going to bring this into the main window. So open chat in editor, just like this. And why don't we start by asking it something simple like, am I logged into the Prisma Data Platform? And so here's a key distinction. If we're using the chat window in the ask mode, we're not going to get the behavior that we're looking for. We need to set it to agent mode. So that first question is just a basic interaction with an LLM. It's not going to be able to do the agent work that the extension provides for. However, now that we've switched over to agent mode, let's ask it again. Am I logged into the Prisma Data Platform? All right, cool. So it went and it did some work to check the auth status. Here are the details about that. And it gave us a result that tells us we are currently logged in. So why don't we try creating a database now? Create a database called Copilot. All right, so it looks like things have run. Let's take a look at what happened. So it went and used the agent to create a Postgres database, a Prisma Postgres database in US East 1. It's called Copilot. It gives us back a connection string here, so that's great. And then it gives us some instructions on how to use it, especially if we're looking to use Accelerate. So that's awesome as well. Let's do this. Let's say, please create a .env file and put the connection string in. All right, so we've got the .env file here, and we have got our connection to Prisma Postgres, so that is awesome. So let's do this. Let's come back here and let's say, please create a simple set of models for a blogging application. All right, so everything ran there. Our schema was added to. We see plus 27 there. We have got a user model, post model, and comment model. Let's take a look to see if those did end up in place. And there they are. So we can go and decide to keep these if we want. Hit the check mark there to keep it. And we are all set. We should do that over here at the .env file as well. Now as the final step, why don't we run migrations? Let's do that. Please run migrations. So here's one that's a bit different where it's going to give us what is going to happen. So here we're going to do npx prisma migrate dev. We're going to call it init, and it asks us if we want to continue. So we can say, yes, let's continue. All right, so we've got migrations have been initiated. We have some action happening in the terminal. So it looks like things have run. If we take a look at the migrations directory, we do have our migrations there. So the agent capabilities that are now available in the VS Code extension for Prisma should be a lot of help if you're using the Copilot extension here in VS Code. Give it a shot and let us know how it goes for you. You can reach out to us on the web. We're at prisma.io, or on X/Twitter. We're at Prisma there. And if you'd like to join the conversation on Discord, you can do so using the link below. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more great Prisma content, we'd love if you'd hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.